Hello everybody, this is Roger from Roger's Reviews. I bought an ice machine a few months ago and never had it installed. Didn't want to spend like, 3, 4, 5 grand on an ice machine because I only need about a bag or two a day. Actually a bag a day once we get started, because you have the cold water, the residual from the day before. So I bought this ice machine. I guess it's cold front. Just a little miniature ice machine. We barely fit it above the refrigerator, and I wanted it outside in case there was a leak. Wouldn't cause damage to the floors because we have wood floors in the shop, and I wanted it out of the back of the shop because I wanted to keep the ice clean. So we have a little kind of like a picnic area, like the break room out here. We do cookouts and stuff, and it'd also be convenient for ice when we have our get-togethers. What I did was we just placed it on top of the refrigerator, and we store our ice in a bucket. I got ice bucket from Subway. It's like $3 for a pickle barrel, and clean it out, rinse it out, and then we just transfer up here. When this is full, I just dump it into the ice bucket. And again, this isn't for drinking water. It's just basically to cool the drinks. We have bottled water and bottled Gatorade or whatever the guys buy at the store. Comes with a little ice scooper, which is good for breaking up the ice. And so today is the first day of our first bucket of ice. So it's probably going to save us anywhere from probably $3 to $6, $7 a day, which adds up. And then we're also going to have the convenience of having ice whenever we need it. So like I said, this is the first ice bucket, so we're going to see how the cold front miniature ice machine works, and see if it is going to create enough ice for our team to go out every day. Got one tree crew, about 3 to 4 or 5 guys, so we're going to see how it works, and I'll come back in a few months, maybe in the summertime when it's real hot out, and see if it can keep up. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please crush the like button and subscribe, and we'll bring you more products, so that way if you buy one of these, we'll give you more information to make a better buying decision. Thank you. Have a great day.